In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite with Facebook. If you are new to Hootsuite, this tutorial will walk you through creating a Facebook post step by step using the tools inside Hootsuite. By the end, you will know exactly where to click and what to enter, so you can publish your content with confidence. First, click Create a Post. This is usually located near the top of the dashboard or in the main navigation area, depending on your layout. When you click it, you will be taken to the posting screen. Take a moment to look over the page, because this is where Hootsuite will guide you through selecting social accounts and writing your message. Next, click Select Social Accounts. This step matters because it tells Hootsuite which networks you want to post to. In this case, you will be posting to Facebook, so you should pay attention to the list of available platforms. After you click Select Social Accounts, the interface will show options for the social profiles and pages that are connected to your Hootsuite account. Now, select your Facebook page. Choose the specific Facebook page you want your post to appear on. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you pick the correct one, since the caption and media will publish to that chosen page. Also, look for a label or name that clearly matches your intended Facebook page. Once it is selected, the page is ready to receive your content. After that, enter your caption. This is where you write the text that your audience will see on Facebook. Keep your caption clear and relevant to the image or video you are sharing. Hootsuite may include character guidance, or you may see preview updates as you type. As you type, it is helpful to watch for any formatting controls, such as spacing, links, or emojis, so your message looks right before you publish. Then, add an image or video if needed. This step is optional, but it is often important for engagement. If your post includes visuals, look for an area that says something like Add Media or Attach Media, and then choose the file you want to upload. After the upload, confirm that the image or video thumbnail appears correctly in the preview. If there is more than one attachment option, make sure you only add what you intend, and double-check that the media displays the way you expect. Once your caption and media are ready, click Post Now. This is the final step that publishes your content immediately. Before you click it, take a brief moment to verify the key details one last time. The Facebook page is correct, the caption reads the way you want, and the image or video is attached properly. Then, when everything looks good, Post Now will send your post to Facebook. After you click Post Now, Hootsuite should process the request and confirm that the post was published. You can then look for the post in your activity or composer preview, and you can also check the Facebook page to see your live post appear. If anything changes later, you can use Hootsuite's tools for monitoring and managing posts, but for this tutorial, the focus is on getting your content published correctly in the first place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.